감사합니다. 저는 오늘은 몽골 문화 이야기하려고 해요. 여러분 몽골에 갔어요? 누구 갔어요? 몽골 가는 사람 없어요? 네. 그래서 저는 오늘은 몽골 문화 이야기하려고 해요. 그리고 여러분 제가 못해서 저는 오늘은 내 소개하려고 해요. 오케이. 여러분 몽골 춤을 봤어요? 안 봤어요? 네. 그래서 같이 몽골 춤을 공부할까요? 이 춤은 아주 쉬운 춤이에요. Just this move. 오케이. One, two. 오케이. 다시. One, two. 네. 오케이. 같이. 아주 쉬운 춤. 같이 여러분. This move. 이거는 몽골 traditional dance. So 이건
고속도로 휴게소에서 나오는 음악이랑 비슷한 것 같은데.
네. 몽골에서 미사하는 사람은 많이 있어요. 우리 친구들은 몽골에 가면 미사하는 사람 보세요. 이 옆에 우리 집 있어요. 집하고 같이 이사 많이 해요. 겨울에 여름에 많이 해요.
So that's how
The
you.
first they have to put
Okay, I will explain this video in English because it's a little bit hard to explain. So basically, Mongolia is the country. Mongolia is one of the few countries which we still keeps the nomadic life in the world. It means we usually move from place to place every year, every season, and in order to move from place to place, we need a portable home. So our ancestors designed this portable home. It's called the gir. We usually call it in Mongolia gir, and so it's very easy to carry and it's very easy to. It's portable. So in order to, it only takes like around 2 hours to build the gir, and so moving on to the building our gir is we usually first the first step is we usually fasten the ground, and then we put the floor. But these guys don't put the floor. It's also possible sometimes we don't put the floor. So, and then next step is we place the walls, and our walls is foldable. It means we can fold it, and when we need to move, we can fold it, and when we put, we just unfold it. It can like this. Okay, so let's watch the video.
put the two walls
They are building the
together
gate,
like
our
this,
home.
then they start tying them.
first they are tying the walls, and now tying with the door. It's the normal way how do we build the summer roof. And now it's the roof, and we usually have two columns, and they are now tying them.
If you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
And the tied roof should be placed central of the walls.
There is Nancy building a care.
And I am not sure how do you call it in English, this long wooden thing, but it's called un in Mongolia, un. It's used for tying the walls and the roof so that it can hold by itself. In other words, now people are holding the roof because if they don't hold, it will fall down. Therefore, it's used for that reason.
How professional she is. Look.
Look how fast I'm doing it.
Yeah. In like 3 days, I'm gonna have you done.
It's all the felt. The felt is made of sheep wool.
Now they are covering the dirt.
Oh, so it's bigger than the wall. So the cover is like a regular cloth? Cotton? MG, it's cotton.
Yes, it's cotton. It's cotton. But nowadays they're using this cotton as a cover. But before they were using just the felt. So this is another rope going round to hold everything together. Like
Gift
another
wrap.
place over there too. So this is the roof, okay?
It's not roof, it's roof cover. It's used for closing or opening the roof because when it's raining, we need to close the roof. So we use it to close our roof. And sometimes it's very hot, therefore we open the roof by using the roof cover.
Oh, you need someone to open?
Put it right on the top, okay?
Okay.
In the middle.
Let's lift it here. So it's our rope. It's very easy to
We
build.
did it.
네. 이건 우리 집이에요. 그래서 몽골의 아름다운 곳에 많이 있어요. 그래서 여러분 가면 봐 보세요. 몽골에서 펴서 아주 예뻐요. 저는 I was a child. 제 아버지 이야기 별 이야기 많이 했어요. 왜 이 별 있어요? 왜 이거 있어요? 왜 있어요? 우리 트레디셔널 인스트루먼트. 이거는 말 탔어요? 말을 탔어요? 몽골에 가면
라이딩 호스.
예, 라이딩 하우스 말 타보세요. 이건 아주 재밌어요. 네. 그래서 여러분은 몽골에 오고 싶어 하면 저한테 이야기 해보세요. 저는 도와줄 거예요.
오케이.
네. 네. 나와 내 소개.
와. 준비 많이 했네.
네. 저는 제 아버지 엄마는 몽골에 만나서 저는 몽골에 왔어요. 저는 1살, 3살, 10살, 16살 저는 국민에 갔어요. 방방. 네. 그리고 제 가족이 5명이에요. 부모님하고 두 여동생 있어요. 이 사진에 우리는 하비님이에요. 이 사진 우리는 요리 같이 했어요. 이 사진은 지금 아이 지금 아니 사진 적었어요. 네. 여행했어요. 제 여동생은 이 노래를 아주 좋아해요. 그래서 저는 이 노래를 공부했어요. All those days watching from the windows, all those years outside looking in, all that time never even knowing how blind I've been. 네, 이 노래를 좀 공부했어요. 그리고 저는 12살 있었어요. 저는 한국어 음악을 많이 들었어요. 빅뱅, 티아라 많이 들었어요. 빅뱅, 하로, 라스트 프레버, 티아라, 로이도이, 홀리, 네, 많이 들었어요. 요즘에 저는 이 가수들을 아주 좋아해요. 에너리키 이글레시아스, 제임스 블란트. 이거는 몽골 가수, 법, 영 블러드. 그래서 오늘은 저는 제임스 블란트 노래예요. You Are Beautiful by James Blunt. 맞습니다. 그리고 저는 한국 영화 10살, 15살에 전 한국 영화 많이 봤어요. 저는 이 영화를 아주 좋아해요. Boys Over Flowers and Full House. My Girlfriend is 90s Fox. 저는 이거 아주 좋아해요. 그리고 저는 이 노래도 좋아해요. 나루토, 여러분 나루토 봤어요? 네, 나루토 전 아주 좋아해요. And Benjamin, The Curious Case of Benjamin Button and Friends 봤어요? 네, Friends 아주 재미있어요. 오케이, 그래서 저는 나루토 저는 피아노도 좋아해요. 저는 그래서 이 뮤지션 아주 좋아요. And 키스트리. 키스트리. 저는 노래 버스 아주 좋아요. I really love this song. And I feel like I will love this song forever. So the song name is Hero by Enrique Iglesias. And I hope you guys will enjoy this song. 저는 이 영화 노래 또 준비했어요. 네. 한국 노래 아주 유행이에요. 곰 세 마리가 한 집에 있어. 아빠 곰, 엄마 곰. 아빠 곰은 똑똑해. 엄마 곰은 날씬해. 애기 곰은 너무 위험워. 우쑥 우쑥 착한다.
와.
감사합니다. 비즈니스는 곧 질문있어요?
끝났어요?
아니, 끝났어요. 감사합니다.
질문 있어요? 그랬어요. I have a question.
앵콜을
In Mongol, you know, in Korea we have exactly 4 seasons. So I want to know, like Mongol, is there 4 seasons?
Yes, Mongols have 4
I
seasons
want
too.
to know which one is the highest temperature and which one is the lowest temperature.
The highest temperature is around, in some place it reaches to 40 Celsius, but usually it's around 35 in all of the most of the place. The coldest temperature is around also minus 40 Celsius,
Right?
and yeah,
So
around.
even minus, you are living in that house, what you showed us.
Oh yes,
Okay.
we cover the felt. We cover our gear by felt many layers during the winter. We cover layers. We put many layers on our gear, so that's why our home is very warm.
Then what is the main reason that you like moving house?
The main reason is we have a lot of domestic animals, such as horse, sheep, goats, and we need to feed them. So we look for plenty of grass and plants, so that we can feed our domestic animals. Yeah. 네.
I have a question.
네. 네.
People you show scale and your family house.
It's not my family. It's a normal
No, I mean
Mongolian.
other kitchen.
Ah.
Your family.
네.
So I wonder, did you live in Ge?
No. I didn't live in the gear.
It is just traditional.
It's but some people still live in the gear in around in the
Until
world until now.
Ah, yeah.
Still, there are like 30% of it's the during the modern life. It's declining. The number of people who live in the gear is declining. But that we have still these people.
Did you? Do you have experience?
Oh, of course.
Is it good?
It's very nice, especially during the summertime. It's very nice. It's easy to go out, just few steps.
Later, when I go to your country.
Yeah, sure, of course.
Okay, thank you.
I have a question. Do you know Genghis Khan's story?
Oh yes, of course. It's our popular. It's popular ancestor. So all of the Mongolian people, I think, know about him.
He come here.
Huh?
He came here. He attacked.
Yes. It's our history. They conquered not only this area, but also half of the world he conquered. You know.
But now we are friend country.
Yeah, we are friends, of course.
Your shirt is your traditional shoe?
Yes, it's our traditional shirt, and during the Lunar New Year, we usually wear another traditional clothes. It's called a tel. I think there is one picture. Oh yes, they wear the traditional. It's a little bit dirty, but they are very nice kind of these clothes.
I have a question.
네.
Did you practice that dance for this presentation?
That-
Or
Practice what?
The dance.
Dance.
Oh.
Oh yes, I danced this presentation. I didn't dance before.
Okay, okay.
Actually, I practiced around maybe 30 minutes. Okay, maybe this move, okay, maybe this move. So,
I wonder, because you look like an artist, why you select to study in about the network?
networking.
Why? You look like an artist.
I love music. I love like playing the guitar. But I also working in the like technologies, and especially in the networking. When I was a child, I experienced the internet. So it was so nice experience it was for me. So I decided to choose this major. That's why I graduated my bachelor degree with networking. So that's my history. Yeah.
You listen about the Akdong musician, Korean singer there with the YZ in YZ. You know
The
them?
Big Bang.
Yeah, with them same. Akdong musician, do you know them? The singer group. Akdong musician, did you know them?
Like in Big Bang Company,
Yes.
there's two people. who-
Sister and brother.
They are like brother and sister.
Yeah, because they are from Mongol. They are also Korean, but they moving to Mongol and they stay there and they like the music and come to Korea and be the singer like that. So I asked this because of I think you like the music and play the music also. So I feel like I want to ask you, the Mongolian people like the music. Normally they like the music and play the music like that.
Rap music.
The normal Mongolian people. I want to ask about the Mongolian the culture. Yeah, normally they like the music and playing music like this.
Yes, it's part of our culture. There are a bunch of dance and musics, our traditional dance and musics. So, yeah, it's very popular in Mongolia, like dance and.
Any question?
Thank you.